this is a fichet. So when it's mounted to the safe, that mark will be at the top. Okay, so all of these fichets pretty much are the same. Okay, so let's just see. There we go. So we've got a number 1 at the top here, aligned with that mark. So what you would do is this is spring loaded, so on the door that would be pushed to there. To change from a 1 to a 2, you push it in and turn, and it locks in. So you have to push it in and turn. Okay, so we're going to go from 1. Now, if this had a code in it already, so let's go from 2 to 1. Okay, we would turn that counterclockwise until it comes to a stop. And if the first number in your 7-number combination was a 7, you would click that 7 times. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and so on. So you do 2. Whatever your number is, it could be a 0, so we just clear it. Clear is a 0. 3 could be whatever number, so it could be a 1. So just 1 click, 1. Okay, so you do that for all 7 positions. Okay, in this lock, this is just all set to 0s at the moment. So we go for each of the 7 positions. Okay, now we've got number 7 there. In between 7 and 1, and this one is a dot, and some of them it's an arrow. Okay, when we turn that clockwise, you'll see this bolt retract if the combination is correct. Okay, and that's how you do our fichet combination lock.